Brian Oxman is the attorney for Joe Jackson, Michael's father. He joins us. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Harry.
I understand you're about to file a wrongful death suit against Dr. Conrad Murray. How come?
It seems almost impossible that it was a year ago that I was at the UCLA Medical Center, and the circumstances there, I cannot get over it. Randy Jackson called me and said his brother was being taken to the hospital. Things were bad. I didn't know how bad. And now a year later, we're going to file a wrongful death lawsuit because we still do not know exactly how it was that Michael Jackson died. And the wrongful death lawsuit is designed to find that out.
Won't that happen in the criminal trial?
We're hearing that the criminal trial may not take place until 2012, and that it's a long ways away. If you take the Anna Nicole Smith case as a roadmap, that still has not happened, and she died in 2007. So we're not really optimistic that the wrongful death case will do, or the wrongful death case should do what the criminal case will not do.
What do you hope to gain, or what do you hope to prove in a wrongful death suit?
Joe Jackson is looking for justice for Michael. The economics of this are really not very good. It has devastated the doctor. The doctor is not someone who you would think is a deep pocket at all. Joe Jackson is looking for justice. He wants to know what happened to his son, why it happened, who all the people were involved. And the one thing we know for sure is that the doctor is not acting alone in this case.
Because, Brian, you know, as an attorney for Joe Jackson, his behavior in the last year sometimes has been certainly questionable. People will say Joe Jackson's looking to make a buck.
I've heard all these things, Harry, and I understand people, but I know this man and I'm watching him, and what I see is not the effort to make a dollar. If anything, he has been excluded horribly from the benefits of the estate, and it's totally unwarranted that should happen. What he wants to know is, how did his son die? He is a good man, and his son was a wonderful man who loved his father dearly.
Brian Oxman, we thank you for your insight and expertise this morning. Do appreciate it.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.